जय हिंद एवरीवन। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे एमसीक्यूज के बारे में। Amrit is an NGO operated in the district of Rajkot since 2015. It deals in providing medicines and other medical facilities to the rural, backward and below poverty line people in the district. In case of need, arrangements are made by the NGO to shift critical patients to the referred hospitals. Name the type of human activities performed by NGO Amrit. And the correct answer is नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी। आप लोग पेन डाउन होकर इसको नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं और स्कोर मुझे चैट बॉक्स में दे सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द ऑक्यूपेशन इन विच पीपल वर्क फॉर अदर्स एंड गेट रेम्यूनरेटेड इन रिटर्न इज नोन एज एम्प्लॉयमेंट। Ruchi is a practicing chartered accountant. She has her CA firm at Hyderabad, Telangana. She deals in providing income tax and GST related services to her clients against very reasonable consultancy fees. She has her own professional coaching classes for CA enrolled students. Identify the type of economic activities performed by Ruchi as preferred in the case. And the correct answer is profession. Dell Industries is a company involved in manufacturing of computers and related items. It's a very popular name among the computer savvy youth in India. There are different models of desktop, laptop, tabs, gamings and workstation manufactured and sold by the company in India market. Which type of industry highlighted in the above case? The correct answer is assembly industry. JPMG is one of the largest transportation industry in India. Provides services for different projects including residential, commercial, office, retail, industrial, logistics, hospitality and other area too. Its similar nature among the business houses in the country because of the large dependence factor. Which type of industry discussed in the above case? And the correct answer is tertiary industry. Nutan General Store is the big businessman deals in selling Nestle products in his locality. He purchased products of Nestle directly from the state distributor in bulk quantities and sold in the market. Small shopkeepers from different corners of the country identify the type of trade followed by Nutan General Store, and the correct answer is wholesale trade. Surinder is a small town businessman, deals in the buying and selling different fast moving consumer goods. The scope of business is limited to his local market. He purchased different type of goods from the wholesaler each weekend located at state capital. Identify the type of trade followed by businessmen referred in the following case, and the correct answer is retail trade. An Indian company deal in a type of trade in which its purchase import rubber from Thailand and sell the same to another country of Japan. Company is earning good volume of profit from its trade. Identify the type of trade followed by the company as discussed in the above case, and the correct answer is entrepôt trade. Next question is banking, insurance, transportation, warehousing, communication and advertising help in eliminating the hindrance of place, time, money, risk and information occurred during the course of business. This is properly termed as auxiliary to trade. Which of the following are treated as auxiliary to trade? banking industry, insurance industry, transport industry? D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Next question is, the industry which provides support services to other industries are known as the tertiary industries. Next question is, cyclone caused lots of damage to the street vendors and retail stores in the state. Rahim, owner of grocery shop, suffered a loss because of cyclone effect. Government declared a relief package to the affected people of the affected areas. Identify the risk caused to the shopkeeper highlighted in the above case. And the correct answer is natural cause. The possibilities of inadequate profit or even losses due to uncertainties are known as business risks. Which of the following does not categorize business activities? The correct answer is salaries and wages. Which of the following cannot be classified as objective of the business? And the correct answer is investment. Specialized knowledge and skills is needed in. The correct answer is profession. The reward of risk is. And the correct answer is profit. It is not included in Code of Conduct of Employment. And the correct answer is dishonesty. Which of the following cannot be classified as an auxiliary to trade? And the correct answer is mining. Business risk is not likely to arise due to. The correct answer is good management. Name the two broad categories of business activities. And the correct answer is industry and commerce. Earning of profit is considered to be the subsidiary objective of the business. The given statement is false because it is a primary objective. Transfer of interest exists in the case of business. Which of the following is not an example of non-economic activity? And the correct answer is teaching. Which of the broad categories of industries cover oil refinery and sugar mills? And the correct answer is secondary. आई थिंक आप लोगों ने अपने आंसर पेन डाउन किए होंगे. आप लोग अपने आंसर्स का टोटल मुझे चैट बॉक्स में सेंड कर सकते हैं. एंड प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. थैंक यू वेरी मच.